How to delete one picture from multiple pictures on Instagram post. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete, and let's jump right into the video. So start by opening the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. So let's say that you have made a post, but while checking you just did not like one photo in that post and you want to delete it. So instead of deleting the entire post, I'm going to show you how you can just delete that one picture from multiple pictures. So let's say that the last picture here is the one that I want to delete. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and from here tap on edit. So once you tap on it, you're going to find a trash can icon at the top left corner of your screen. You can find that in every single photo like this. So whichever photo it is that you want to delete, simply tap on that trash icon and then tap on delete. Once you do that, that specific photo will be deleted. So tap on the tick mark option. And once you do that, if you check back your post, you can see that the last picture is gone. Now you can recover this within 30 days if you want to, otherwise it will be permanently deleted. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.